ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯈꯤꯂꯣꯅꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 10ꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ Hello everyone. Welcome back to another class of our e-learning program. Angangsa aikoina mamangi class ta ionic bonding haina khangnaba chemical bonding gi matangda dainakhre. Hairiba bond si karamba makhal gi bond no ionic bond yauba compound singi maru oiba properties na kari kari leibage haibasi ekhoi mathang mathang khangminakhre. Ngasi makha tarakpo oina aikoina ani shuba chemical bonding ama amuk paikhat minasi ngasi aikoina nainagadoriba chemical bonding asidi covalent bond aikoina chemical nature manaba atom singna punchillaga semba compounds Kudamoina, hydrogen molecule, H2, oxygen molecule, O2, nitrogen molecule, N2, natragana carbon dioxide. Hairiba compound sing sigi, semakpagi, hairiba atom singi marakta, lairiba mahaki chemical bonding gi explanation nasi. Ekoina hana nena kriba ionic bond, hairiba chemical bond asina explain to bangamdi. Matawasumna aikoina organic molecule methane with formula CH4 carbon tetrachloride with formula CCl4 hairiba molecule sing asigi formation gi matang dasu ionic bonding na explanation piba ngamde adu oiragadi aikoina hairiba aikoina pankriba example lowkriba molecule sing asida Makoigi combining atoms singi marakta lairiba bonding asi karamna sembano haibasi aikoyamuk yingminasi hairiba molecule sing sigi combining atoms singna bonding tawrakpa matamda makoina mutual sharing of electrons pangthoi haibadi combining atoms singna makoigi share of electrons puthoknaraga chemical bond semi asumna aikoina combining atoms singi marakta electron puthoknaraga mutual sharing undergo tawraga stable molecule ama semba adumba makhalgi chemical bond bu covalent bond haina khangnei adu oiragadi ekhoi covalent bond gi maru oiba makhal ahum amuk ekhoi yengminasi ihan hanba makhalda single covalent bond Single covalent bond hariba covalent bond asi combining atom anina electron pair ama sharing tongminaraga semba adumba makhalgi covalent bond ni haibadi a single covalent bond is a covalent bond formed by sharing of one pair of electrons between the combining atoms so as to form a stable molecule Akhoi example ama paikhalaga amok hena mamutana yingminasi for example formation of hydrogen molecule so hydrogen hariba element sigi magi atomic number akhoi noina khangi atomic number 1 ni haibadi hydrogen hariba atom sida mahaki valence electron si 1 lei hariba valence electron si ekhoina dot na represent tawraga hydrogen molecule karam haina semak page haibagi formation si akhoi amuk yengminasi so hydrogen atom amana magi valence electron ama puthokle asumna atopa combining atom oirakadoriba another hydrogen atom amana su mahaki share of electron haibadi one valence electron si puthokle aduga combining hydrogen atom anishina mutual sharing tawinaraga hydrogen atom anigi marakta single covalent bond hariba bond si akoina single dash na represent tawi somna akoina stable oiba hydrogen molecule ama same ani shuba covalent bond gi makhal amu paikhat si ani shuba makhal gi covalent bond asina double covalent bond. Double covalent bond kadaibu kaubage akhoi amuk yengsi karigumba covalent bond ama semba matamda combining atom anigi marakta two pair of electron sharing tawinaraba adu oiragadi aikoina same liba covalent bond asi a double covalent bond ni haidana haigani double covalent bond si aikoina double dash line anina aikoina represent tawraga utli masisu aikoina hen mamutana khamina naba example ama amuk lokhatsi for example formation of oxygen molecule. Now oxygen hairiba element sigi ma configuration si 2,6 haidana thokani haibadi Lewis method sijanaraga oxygen atom gi valence electron si ekoina dot na represent tawraga mahaki formation si amuk yengminasi oxygen gi maki leiriba 6 valence electron asi yenguraga ekoina khangi madudi oxygen hairiba atom sina stable oinabagi damakta haibadi mahaki nearest noble gas ki configuration adu attain taunabagi damakta electron ani amaga watli haibani asumna combining oxygen atom anina electron ani puthoknaraga oxygen atom ani gi marakta electron pair ani sharing tawrai asumna oxygen atom ani gi marakta two pair of electron exist tawrai asumna ikoina oxygen molecule gi oxygen atom ani gi marakta double covalent bond lay haidana koina explain tawba yai ahum suba type of covalent bonding amuk laksi the third type of covalent bond is the triple covalent bond. Triple covalent bond kadaibu kaubage na hairagadi aikoina karigumba covalent bond ama semakpa matamda electron pair ahum changlaba adu oiragadi aikoina same liba covalent bond asibu a triple covalent bond haidana aikoina kaugani kudamoina amuk akoi amuk yengminasi taking the case of nitrogen molecule. So nitrogen hairiba element si mahaki atomic number 7 ni aduna aikoina mahaki configuration si 2 5 haidana aikoini thokani haibadi nitrogen atom gi 5 valence electron yawi haibani Lewis method ki matungina hairiba valence electron si aikoina amukasu dot na represent tawraga nitrogen molecule gi formation si aikoi amuk yengminasi so nitrogen da 5 valence electron yaurabanina mahak stable oige maki nearest noble gas ki stable configuration do attain tauge hairabadi electron ahum amagasu amuk darkar oiriba electron ahum asi phangnabagi damakta combining nitrogen atom anina 3 electron puthoknaraga sharing tauduna 3 electron pair same lai asumna nitrogen molecule amagi manungda nitrogen atom ani gi marakta triple covalent bond same matang asida koina amuk ningsang ba yaba amana covalent bond haibasi aikoina chemical nature manaba non metal singi marakta leiba adumba makhalgi chemical bond ni matang asida aikoina term ama amuk ningsingminasi term adudi karino covalency kadaibu kobage covalency hairagadi aikoina covalent bond ama semakpa matamda punshinariba mahaki combining atoms singna puthok liba number of electron madubu aikoina covalency of the atom haidana aikoina khangnei haibadi covalency is the number of electrons shared by the combining atoms in the formation of a covalent bond. Kudamoina, aikoina mamang da lawkriba example duda hydrogen molecule semakpa matamda hydrogen atom gi covalency si 1 ni oxygen molecule gi case na oxygen atom gi covalency si 2 ni aduga nitrogen molecule gi case na covalency of nitrogen atom si 3 oigadori bani makha tarakpada aikoina amuk covalent compound kadaibu kawage haibasi amuk khangsin minase covalent bond gi mating na semba compound singbu aikoina covalent compounds hairaga khangnei haibadi covalent compounds are compounds formed as a result of covalent bonding. Makha tarakpada akhoi hojik amuk covalent compounds ta leiba magi maruoiba characteristic properties singdu amuk one by one yengminase. So covalent compounds ta leiba maruoiba properties singi manungda ahanba property physical state. Haibadi covalent compounds asi akoina karamba physical state ta exist over thengnabage haibani. Aikoina covalent compounds sing asi maruoina mahi natragana maniloina room temperature da exist over thengnei. Masigi maram si akoi amuk explain tawminasi. Covalent compound na mahi natragana maniloina room temperature da lairibasigi maram si aikoina covalent compound gi magi constituent oiriba neutral molecules sing makhoi gi marakta leiba yamna shonba yamna sonthaba weak oiba intermolecular force of attraction aduna oigani aikoina hairiba mahaki particles sing mahaki constituent oiriba molecules sing asigi free movement possible oirakpana hairiba covalent compounds sing asi aikoina generally mahaki room temperature asida mahi natragana maniloina aikoina leiba thengnei haibadi covalent compounds generally exist as liquids or gases at room temperature due to the weak intermolecular force of attraction between their neutral molecules haibani mathangda aikoi anishuba property amuk paikhatsi covalent compounds singi melting and boiling points karamna tawbage haibasini aikoina khangi madudi melting and boiling point of a substance si hairiba substance to the mahaki constituent atoms singu phazaliba mahaki force ki mapangan da depend tawgani covalent compound di mahaki neutral atoms singi marakta lairiba force si akoina hausikta khangminakre madudi quite weak oiba intermolecular force of attraction sini hairiba weak oiba force of attraction si thadatpa haibasida akoina energy yam hena changde maram asina covalent compounds ki melting amasung boiling point sisu akoina generally low oiba thengnei makhada aikoina amuk covalent compound ki ahum suba mahaki characteristic property ama amuk yengsi so the third important property of covalent compound is its solubility gi matang dani koina mahaki property se amuk kani yengminagadori base covalent compound singsi generally aikoina non polar natragana organic solvent kudamoina hairabada benzene carbon tetrachloride kerosene sigumbada generally tummi mathangi property conductivity how is the conductivity of covalent compound gi mahaki conductivity se karam haina tobaja no akhoi amuk yengminase generally covalent compounds sing di electricity conduct tawde so man electricity conduct tawdabagi magi maram sida muk laksi aikoina hanasu khangminakre madudi covalent compound haibasi neutral molecules na semgatpa adumba makhal gi compound ni maram aduna makhoida aikoina free ions ki presence si aikoina uba phangde free ion leitabana maram oiraga makhoina electric current carry tawba ngamdabana covalent compound singsi aikoina electricity conduct tawde hairibani asumna aikoina ngasigi topic asi loisilakpada kari khangminakre haibadu amuk yengsi aikoina khangminakre madudi covalent bond hariba chemical bond asi combining atom singi marakta electron puthok minaraga electron sharing to minaraga semba adumba makhalgi covalent bond ni masigi maru oiba aim su neutral molecule ama semba si adumok oigani covalent bond yauba adumba makhalgi compounds bu oikoina covalent compounds haina khangnagani covalent compounds si aikoina combining atom singi marakta electron pair kaya share tominabage haibagi matungina aikoina ama share tominaragana single covalent bond ani share tauragana double covalent bond natragana 3 pair of electron share tauragana triple covalent bond haina sumaina aikoina haigani covalent compounds su ionic compound na mahaki characteristic oiba properties khara cheli hariba properties sing su aikoi one by one khangminakre